Hey everybody, welcome to another Pedagogy in Practice. This week I'm going to be talking about Canvas Studio and how we can use it to record videos and caption our videos. But first, just some tips on recording videos in general. The shorter we can keep the videos, the more likely it is that students will watch them. Research typically suggests that around 5 to 10 minutes is a really good length of time for videos. The longer it gets, the less engaging it is, usually for students. And so what we can do is we can think about our lectures and we can think about how we can chunk them in different video segments. So if you typically give an hour-and-a-half lecture on apples, oranges, and bananas, instead of recording a video for an hour-and-a-half in which you talk all about apples, bananas, and oranges, maybe you'll talk about apples in one video, bananas in the next video, and oranges in the third video. And so students are still getting the same content, they're just getting it chunked based on the sub themes or the sub concepts that you're covering in that larger lecture. So that's one tip. Another tip is if you're recording a video with your computer, make sure that you are facing a light source. So right now behind the computer is a window. I also have a light over there, but I don't have a light behind me so that it doesn't look like I'm in the witness protection program. And then the third thing is be human. It's okay to have imperfect videos, and it can be a way for students to get to know you a little bit more. I'm sure you've all heard my daughter singing in the background and you've heard all of my imperfect videos. And there's no need for us to drive ourselves crazy and constantly re-record. Imperfect videos are fine and can be a really good way to build relationships with students and make us a little bit less intimidating. That's the background, and now we're going to dive into how we can use Canvas Studio to record those short, imperfect videos. All right, so let's dive in and see how we can use Canvas Studio. So I'm doing this right now in Zoom, so hopefully I'll be able to show you what the process looks like. But basically, when I go into Canvas, if I click on the little Studio button right over here, then I'm going to come to my Canvas Studio. In Canvas Studio, you can record videos, and then you can also screen share, which is really nice. So let's say that I want to record a short video. So I can select screen capture or webcam capture. If I do webcam, it's just going to show me talking. But if I do screen capture, then I have the option to select either myself, my screen and my little video, like you see now, this little floating head, or I can just do my screen, whatever I prefer. It's probably going to be a little hard. Okay, so the first time you do this, what you're going to need to do is download and install the screen capture application. I've already downloaded that, and sometimes it still pops up. So if that happens to you, just click the X and then it'll open up. And so what'll happen is I'll see a little dashed line that I can put around anything that I want to record. There it is, almost. It's taking a while. Okay, so let's say that appeared. There it is. So you might need to minimize your screen. So because it'll be behind your screen if you have it in full screen. So I minimize my browser, and now I can see the little dashed line. And that is the area in this box is the part that I'm going to record. And you can see that I have the webcam on, so it's recording my face right here. I can choose just the screen if I don't want to have my face. And then all I have to do is hit record. So I'm going to hit record and I'm going to talk. It's going to count down. I'm going to talk for a little while. I'm going to give my short, imperfect welcome and say all the good things. And then I'm going to click pause. And if I'm happy with it, I can click done. I can click trash and I can start over. But I'm happy with that. I think that was really good. So I'm going to click done. And then after it processes, after you click done, you're going to get this little thing popping up that's going to ask you to put a title in. So I'll say pedagogy and practice and spell it right. Goodness. And then I'm going to click upload. And my lovely thumbnail. That's always the worst. Okay, and so it's going to load and then it says upload successful. So then I'll click continue. And you can see the videos right here and it's 9 seconds. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click captions. And I'm going to select English from this drop-down menu and I'm going to click request. So this is going to generate captions for this 9-second video. But the problem is that they're automatically generated. So it's possible that it doesn't quite recognize the words accurately. And we need to make sure that in our videos, we have accurate captions for accessibility purposes. In one of Matt's videos, when he was talking about Padlet, the automatic captions said paddle forward instead of Padlet. So that would be confusing to a student who's relying on the captions because of hearing, or also because they might be in a loud area and they can't listen to it as closely as they would like to. So I'll wait for these captions to be generated. And then once they're generated, I'll get an email saying that they're ready to go. And then I can go in and I can edit them. So I'll show you what that process looks like now. Okay, so the captions are here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click review and publish. And I'm going to look through this and make sure that it's accurate. And if something looks a little incorrect, I can click play for a little while. I'm going to give my short and perfect welcome and say all the good things. And then I'm going to click pause. It didn't get pause, so I'll just type in pause here. And that's it. I'm going to click publish. And now the video has captions. So that's how you can create a video in Canvas Studio and you can caption it. I hope that helps and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.